Really didn't think I was going to do this today because I've been so sleepy. I'm doing a cleanse and it's been nice to have a day to do nothing. And, uh, and I didn't say I was going to do this every single day. I said I was going to do 30 videos as fast as I could. So I didn't think I had to do this either. And still, um, I feel like being here. Well, good. That is a good sign, isn't it? I guess it is. Yeah, that's a good sign. Something is shifting, something is happening. I feel like being here. And even though I still feel like I'm in this space of not really having anything to say, which is very ironic, uh, it has been nice just to be, like, I feel like all of my consciousness is just blank space. I feel like I'm just being in this space. And yeah, I keep being shown this analogy of a faucet, where when the faucet hasn't been turned on for many years, usually outside somewhere, you go to turn it on. I remember doing this um, when I was a child. Remember being outside at my grandpa's house, and he had all these chickens and ducks in the backyard, and so there was a faucet, and it didn't turn on right away, and it just starts spitting, gurgling sounds, and it doesn't come out right away. It takes some time, and then makes a lot of noise, and then eventually the water comes out and it flows. That's what I feel like with my voice. Um, yeah, so I'm in this spitting, coughing phase, and I see with certainty as I keep going, it will begin to flow like that water. I would say you're doing pretty good. Look, in the past, whenever you would make a video, it would be months before you would make another one, and here you are, your seventh one, and this is only the fourth day, all two a day, every day. Um, you're doing it. You're doing it. I was feeling so sleepy today that at 1 o'clock I went and had some time with my cat on my bed and ended up taking a nap with her for 2 hours. And she's the sweetest thing. And it was so lovely. She just comes and she's on my belly and my chest, and she just gets all cozy and snuggled in and fell asleep with me for 2 hours. So had some really, really good bonding time with my sweet cat.